Hey y'all, it's not too early to begin planning for your 2026 summer lake home. This retreat, nestled in a private cove, is lakefront property. A 10 by 30 boat slip is available. I'm sure there's no need to point out the inviting porches, making this property feel just like a treehouse. This recently remodeled 3-bedroom, 3-bath home offers stylish interior finishes with open concept.
Well, we ran pipe from the creek bed through the woods to the old gray shack. It was worth the trouble to work them shovels for Granddaddy's sour mash stand. All the weeds and pecan trees hid a secret we all swore to keep. Well, my granddaddy knew what the law would do if they ever come snooping around.
Let's head downstairs for the large private master suite.
Where the creek is high, Lord, I'm down in the gully where only the moon shines.
The basement also offers additional entertainment area, laundry, additional bath, and private deck.
Where the hills were filled with the smell of cash, cooking in that copper steel. Everybody knew where to get their brew, and that made
This home will leave you wanting to relocate to Schell on Table Rock Lake all year round.